secret universe hidden inside a single drop of water. The tone must feel mysterious, magical, and scientifically accurate, with smooth camera movements and rich textures. Show every microscopic scene with dramatic lighting, glowing particles, volumetric fog, floating dust, and high-contrast reflections. Begin with a slow, cinematic zoom into a glass of water sitting under sunlight. Show dust particles drifting in the air, light scattering through the water, and a macro close-up of the drop's surface. Add gentle ripples, reflections, and lens flares. As the camera enters the drop, transition into a microscopic world filled with swirling molecules, vibrating atoms, and shimmering structures. Show H2O molecules forming hydrogen bonds, breaking apart, and rejoining. Add glowing neon outlines to highlight each bond. Show thermal motion of molecules bouncing around. Zoom even deeper into the quantum realm, display electron clouds, probability waves, and energy fields like sci-fi visuals but scientifically inspired. Transition into the microscopic life inside the drop. Show bacteria swimming with flagella, rotifers spinning, amoebas flowing, paramecium gliding like tiny submarines. Display their bodies in extreme macro detail. Flexing membranes, inner organelles, DNA strands, cilia moving in synchronized waves. Add soft bioluminescent effects to make everything look magical while remaining grounded in scientific realism. Introduce dramatic tension, show predator-prey interactions, tiny microbes chasing each other, cells splitting in real time, microorganisms feeding, dividing, and evolving. Depict chemical signals being released as glowing particles. Illustrate how one small ecosystem inside a water droplet is full of drama, survival, and hidden beauty. Shift to the chemical universe inside the drop. Show dissolved minerals, ions, and salts floating like cosmic objects. Visualize pH changes as color-shifting waves. Display carbon dioxide entering the droplet and forming carbonic acid. Show how electricity flows through water using glowing particle trails. Show how sunlight interacts with the droplet, photons entering and exciting electrons, creating tiny bursts of energy. Explain photosynthesis at microscale if algae are present. Use glowing green particles to represent chlorophyll capturing light. Add a sequence showing how one droplet contains millions of life forms, trillions of molecules, and countless chemical reactions happening every second. Show fast cuts of molecular collisions, protein folding animations, DNA replication, microscopic storms, and currents inside the drop. Then pull back to reveal how the single droplet connects to rivers, oceans, clouds, plants, animals, and humans. Show the water cycle in artistic detail, evaporation into glowing vapor, condensation into clouds, rain formed inside, and droplets falling back to Earth. Make the transitions fluid and beautiful. And with a deep, cosmic perspective, zoom outward from the droplet room Earth's atmosphere space the entire planet seen from far away. Use a subtle orchestral rise. Display text that says, "Inside the smallest things, entire universes exist."